Hey YouTube, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys doing okay. What do you see here? The beautiful, pretty Flysky Noble transmitter and 8 servos. 2 receivers, a FGR4S receiver and an iBus receiver, FS-NB4, and 8 servos. 4 servos connected to the standard receiver, 4 servos to the iBus receiver. And let's check if this works. Channel 1, channel 2, I signed channel 3 to this wheel here and channel 4 to the other side. That's nothing special, but the Flysky Noble with the new firmware version can control 8 servos. So, channel 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a ton of switches and knobs and tabs to assign those channels to. Let's check channel 5. I put it to this tab here. Channel 6 I put to the button handle. Channel 7 and channel 8 I assigned to this knob. So fantastic! The Noble now with 8 channels as the fantastic old Flysky GT3C with firmware hack. But it's not that easy to set all this up, and I will show you how to do this now. There are only few receivers working with the Flysky Noble actually. That's the 4-channel FGR4S, that's the one I have 2 of. I got them with my Flysky Noble from Hobby King. Then there's a further 4-channel receiver, the FS-GR4, and there's a very new 10-channel receiver which is quite hard to get actually, but probably it will be more widespread in future. This receiver is called FTR10. So with this 10-channel receiver you will not have to use any iBus receivers to be able to control 8 servos. And in my setup with the 4-channel receiver you additionally need one of those iBus receivers. This one is called FS-NB4. I will give a link in the description. And what you also need, of course, is the new firmware version for the Flysky Noble. So if you do already have your Noble for quite a long time, a year or whatever, you will have the old firmware version. You will have to update. So therefore, to check this, go to System and then scroll down to About Noble, and here you can see which firmware version you do have. The latest version is the version from November 27th, 2019, the firmware version 2.0.79. My Noble did already come with this. For using the Flysky Noble with iBus receiver in 8-channel mode, you have to bind the receiver in iBus mode. So first I connect the iBus receiver to the iBus port of the normal receiver with the normal cable. I connected all 4 servos here. I connected 4 servos and my power cable to the iBus receiver, and the normal receiver will be powered up by the iBus receiver. First, be sure go to System. First select a new model, whatever model you want. I go to whatever, model 8 now, yes. What's important now, be sure that the system is set to 8 channels and not to 4 channels. It always switches back to 4 channels if you choose a new model. At least I have this problem, and if you don't do this you will lose all the settings later. So I go to 8 channels, yes, go back, then go to receiver set, and in output mode now is chosen, and you have to choose IBUS and PWM. That's okay now. And now I have to bind the receiver with the transmitter, and therefore of course I have to insert the bind plug one-handed. Okay, and power up. It will blink fast and now go, oops, this was wrong, bind. I hope this still works. Now it's bound. Okay, yes, channel 1 works, channel 2 works, channel 3 is normally the button here, works too, channel 4 is not assigned, and the IBUS channels are not assigned. Therefore, go to the assign channel tab. I will put channel 3 to the knob on the right side here of the transmitter, and channel 4 of the normal receiver to the knob on the left side. So I go to the button, and you can choose between normal, 2 position, 3 position, normal. I choose channel 3 for the right knob now. That's this knob, and this works fine now. Come on. Okay. And to the left knob I assign, also let's take normal, I assign channel 4. Yes. Should it work? Does work. My Noble crashed. So I have now the 4 channels. 1, channel 3, channel 4, channel 2, channel 1. And now we have to assign the IBUS channels, otherwise this will not work. So therefore you will need, or we will need, those 4 small buttons you can see here on the IBUS receiver. And those buttons, you have 4 ports for channel 1 to 4 as normal, but you have here 4 small buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are assigned to channel 1, 2, 3, 4 of the IBUS receiver, and I will set them to channel 5, 6, 7 and 8. And therefore we have to go to receiver set again, and we will find where is it? And we will find now that its IBUS is not selected anymore. Can you see this here? So I have to go to IBUS, back, and go to RX setup again. And now I have IBUS setup. This point was not here before, so it's sometimes a little bit a hit and miss. But first of all I will power off the
receiver, voltage low, signal lost.
Receiver, remove the bind plug and power it on
Signal
again.
lost.
Does this stuff work still? Yes. And you see the servos of the IBUS receiver are now assigned wrong. And now I go to IBUS setup and can assign the channels, and I want the servo number 1 of the IBUS receiver be assigned to channel 5. That's, I will use this button now, and so I will press channel 5, and now the transmitter is waiting. And check this out, I will press this button now here, and it says it's assigned to channel 5. and then let's press OK. I go to channel 6 and I will press the number 2 button here, and you see assign to interface 2 servo 2, OK. And now let's go to channel 7. I will use the channel 3 of the iBus receiver here, press the button assigned to servo 3, and the last channel, last servo, channel 8. Therefore I will push this button here. I did not push it, press it. Oh no. And now it's okay. So now those 4 outputs are assigned to the channels 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now I can go back and to assign again and assign those channels to whatever buttons or knobs or whatever I want. So I will, for example, assign channel 5 to this knob button here. So that's this one. We will give it to channel 5. Okay, channel 5. Trigger turn, trigger turn. Trigger is this, and turn is, it stays on the other side. So turn and trigger as long as I press what we would call momentary switch. So that's okay. You can also change servo direction, and I will assign channel 6 to the button on the other side. That's SW2, and channel 6 back, and we have again trigger or turn. So okay, and channel 7 I will assign, for example, to the button on the handle. So I will choose channel 7, go back and can use trigger or turn again, and servo direction can be changed. So this should now be this servo, you see, and channel 8 I will assign to the button on the other side of the handle. I could, or I can assign it to those knobs here on the top. Let's assign it to one of those knobs. Those have in this direction trim, and in this direction you can use them as knobs too. So I will assign this to channel 8 now. Okay, oops. And we have type normal, 2 position, 3 position here. So this should work now. No, it's again not assigned. I will assign it, have to assign it to channel 8. Okay, 3 position. Perfect, for example, for gearing or whatever. Okay, that's it. You can control this, assign, and you can see here the list, channel 3, channel 4, which knobs they are assigned to. And of course you can go to the, come on, display tab, and here you can see the servos moving too. Not that easy, you see, but it works. So now I do have 8 channels, and I'm able to control 8 channels. Servo number 8, servo number 7, server number 6, and you can control all those servers. You can adjust endpoints of all those servers, so that's fantastic. You can use them as all other servers. So, and then where do I have server 4? I do have on this knob channel 4, and on this knob channel 3, channel 2 throttle, and channel 1 steering. So that's it. A little bit complicated. I hope I could help you. What do you need? You do not need anything more than this little iBus receiver. I bought this receiver from Banggood, and I bought my Noble from Hobby King. That receiver is cheap, it's less than 10 bucks. So thanks for watching, guys. Fantastic transmitter. Need a little bit of learning. There are a ton of settings. What I really like is, check this out. I lower the voltage of the receiver now, and now
Receiver voltage low. Receiver voltage
she
low.
complains.
Receiver voltage low. Receiver voltage low. Receiver voltage low.
Really cool transmitter. Maybe there will even be a 16 channel version in future. Rumors say this, but nothing happens. There would be more knobs, for example here. Press those buttons. You cannot assign those now, so this would be stuff for a firmware update. However, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. I'll be back.